Right guys, day one of the camper build. So I've already done a few bits on this the other day, but I'm going to call this day one because I'll treat it as, I suppose, the first 8 hours. So what's the plan today then? Well, give these carpets a hoover. I've got a USB socket that I'm going to install in here, so I'll be taking the dashboard out to get that done. I've got the fuse tap wires there. I bought some cable earlier, so I'll get that done. It's a bit of a damp day today, so that's like internal stuff I can do. I'm going to take this bulkhead out, so see how difficult that is. It should just be bolts all the way around, and a couple of those that I need to drill out. And lastly, the bracket that was up here was snapped, so I took that off this morning, and I've taken that down to a metal fabrication place just up the road. They're going to weld that back for me, and I'll be picking it up later today around 4 PM, and that will be going back on there. So bulkhead day and USB socket. So let's get cracking. These first nuts off, 10mm. Right, these need a star bit, and that is a T40, which is there. T40 star bit fits in these, alright? So that's what you need. Preferably a drill to get it out. And for all your tool people out there, just so we set the record straight right now, Makita are the best. Right, so I think we're just left with these rivets now, which I'm going to drill out. So we got one in that corner and one here. I believe that's it then. 2 rivets. Got the bulkhead off. Cool, you could tell this van came from Scotland. Look at that. Been using under the seat as a bin. Lazy gits. And today's been a bit of a shopping day. So, a couple of wiper blades, as the ones on this van are knackered. Drill bits from Audi. And I'll tell you what, I use these a lot. They come in once a year, they're normally a £5, and they're just as good as anyone else's. And then a wire stripper. These are pretty good. This is like $7.99. I've already got one of these, but I needed some of these bits and pieces, and I thought they would come in handy today if I put my USB socket in. So I thought I'd just get another one of them. Wipers we need for E-NV200 is a 1/16" and 1/22. So I'll get those done today as well. And no, surely this ain't my cup. Right then, next job, DRLs. These bulbs, you see there's one at the top, one at the bottom. One's for the fog lamp, one's for the DRL. They like running them. these are in. Next on the agenda, fit this double USB socket. So I think that's a good place for it there. It's almost like something was meant to go there anyway. You see on that side there's a button, so I'll drill that panel out. That's it all done. Dash back in, and the fuse is in. Everything on this side of the fuse board is live permanently. Everything on this side is only live once the van is on. Okay, so that's handy to know. To plug it in, fast charging. There we go. And then when we turn the van on, you'll see that voltage spike up because the van will start to charge the 12 volt battery. There we go. That bracket's back on. Great job of welding that back up. And the finishing touch for today, a little coaster. That fits in there, lovely. There we go. Catch you on the next episode.